Welcome to Home Decor Hall, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. You can update yourself every day with latest and exceptional design ideas. I shall try to get all relevant issues for your discovery. If you wish to get any particular design idea, you can mention a comment section. In this video, you shall see dining room design ideas for your home. Most homeowners spend a lot of time in their dining room with their family, enjoying delicious meals and spending quality time together. To ensure that your dining room provides you with the right environment, you need to ensure that you create a clutter-free, stylish and practical space that you and your loved ones can enjoy. Try making your dining room more modern with industrial lighting. Mix in natural furnishing such as distressed wood, tables and wicker chairs to balance the streamlined look. Gallery style photos in black and white add a touch of personality to the room. Let your imagination go wild and don't be afraid to try new ideas. Simpler room layouts are easier to adapt. A simplistic layout with the bare minimum of furniture and big pieces is best for your entertaining space. When entertaining, you don't want moving things around to be a huge hassle. A place does need more to look complete and set a mood than some super cool and well-designed pieces in the right place. No entertainment area is complete without a decent sound system. Nowadays, a wireless speaker will suffix and they can give off a great sound. However, if you really want to get the party going, you might want to consider investing in surrounded sound speakers that you can connect your phone to. With a sound system in place, you will always be able to set the right tone at your dinner parties. Outdoor kitchens are a popular design trend today. By adding cooking and eating areas close to the house, you could even interconnect them, dissolving the internal and external boundaries and adding a certain flow to your home. Foot traffic going in and out of the house will also be minimized, helping you to keep your home clean and tidy. Today's host has more to consider when entertaining than just to check on drinks and hope that the roast is done to perfection. Chargers and outlets are in high demand nowadays as people need to keep their device powered. Consider adding a charging station to your dining room entertainment area to keep everyone happy. There are some elegant and distinct products on the market that you can easily incorporate into your design without it taking over. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas for your dining room design. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.